Hey friends, welcome back to Blockchain FI. My name is Petru and today I'll have a look at VRA or Verasity. Let's dive in. I will start from a higher time frame and go lower. I will make this right here on the monthly chart, and this looks like it's becoming a support area. Well, now let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly, very close to this one, so I will not do another one. And here I need to add this one and lower this one, but yeah, we are not in a situation where this area right here is relevant. So for now, I'll just look into the areas that are more interested for the shorter time frame. Okay, we see that we could have some resistance right here and here. This could be also a key level because here was support and here resistance again, and it could be resistance right now. Actually, we see that it got rejected twice already on this level, so it's not so relevant anymore, to be honest. Now let's go to the daily chart. I see clearly some imbalances here, which it's possible there will be some attempts to be fixed, and I am talking about this here is fixed, this one got fixed here, and now this one got fixed on the way up. So if I can make this longer, usually these areas of imbalance are solved, meaning that the price is coming back to either through a wick or through a candle and to refill this gap. These are like gaps that usually are fixed by the automated trading. And if I go back, we can see that most of these have been fixed. All right, so this is an interesting zone for DCA, for example. And we can see this area right here matches very well this monthly resistance right here. So yes, we can see some imbalances also above. And for example, here, this one, again, matching very well this resistance. Cool. Now, let's see what exactly is happening here. What is this? Do we have an ABC correction here? Something like this. If this is the case and this is over, maybe this could also be here. Then this could be the first leg of a new impulse wave, and it could be something like this. If here is the bottom, then we should get our tree somewhere like here, 4 and the 5th, maybe here or above, right? Let me leave the wave on. Let me make this white as well. It could be something like this. If this is the case, we can see back more. This is another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. And after that, we got this corrective wave like here. Now, let's see why the price stopped here. What happened here? So this level right here for now, we can see that it was used as support very nicely in this instance right here. And let's see and try to understand why. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement from here, and yeah, guess what? The golden pocket area, look here. This fits perfectly. So I think for investors, for long term, and this is not financial advice by any means, I think this could be an amazing rule to accumulate more of the coins you want to accumulate when this level is touched. You can also be more aggressive if you have more liquidity or if you are trading more actively, selling more and buying more. But buying between these levels right here, let's say between 0.5 and 0.65 or 0.61, this looks like a very, very good buy. And if I have a look, this area right here, in this case, it went only to this level, 0.38, but here it was a huge push, right? So this was not corrective enough to fix the gaps here in these spaces or to reach this area. Sometimes it's not reaching it. So yeah, when you buy for long term, I think it's good to have some rules. And actually these levels are showing 0.23 is 23% discount from here, from the top, right? And this is 30% discount here, 38% minus from the top. and here 0.50%. You cannot nail this every time, right? But depends on what you want to achieve. If you don't have any veracity and you want to buy something, and if you're worried that it will go right away upwards, then you definitely can start buying something a little bit at this level, something more at this level, adding something more at this level, but keep most of the cash for these levels. Then you move on, right? After this correction ended and we get new all-time high, you can use this area right here. And as I did this, you can see in this case, it's not wise to use only 0.23 because it is too close. So most probably it's going to be hit, and the most relevant ones are this one, 0.5 and 0.6, 0.61. In this case, for example, I would have bought something maybe here, let's say 0.38. It's a good discount, but usually as a thumb rule, kind of every trader knows that altcoins will correct at some point to 60%. So if you want to be sure that you catch something, then definitely anything between 0.5 and 0.65, it's a good area. And then if it happens that it goes to the next levels, then buy more, right? Always keep some cash, always have some liquidity for a situation you do not expect. That's the best rule. Okay, I rambled enough about Fibonacci levels. Now let's get back here and see. We can see that on the way down, these areas or areas close to these levels have been respected pretty nicely. We can see this bounce from here, this one, another one, attempt, and here, this is the next level, this one. Let's take the 0.38. We can see, yeah, this area, it's closed, a small bounce, a little bounce. Now again, 50. This is more important, of course. Another bounce, but it did not hold, so it went down lower, and this area actually managed to bounce stronger from here. But that does not mean that it cannot go through it and to test the next one. If Bitcoin goes, will dump more, of course, right? It's nice to see that actually this pump right here was backed by volume, and it was not a fake move. Something else I want to see here is what this Fibonacci extension is telling me. So I will start here, go here and here, and we can see that this level right here, 0.78, matches perfectly with this area, with the golden pocket area. So even this have been used as support for now, and the next time most probably it will be weaker. I would expect for this area to still play an important role in the development in the future. Now, if I want to buy more, and if I think VRA will dip more, I will buy something here first at this level. Let me make this with 1 pixel only. When doing a Fibonacci extension, this is the first point of interest for me. Either I'm taking profits or I'm buying. This is a very important, and we can see that is quite close to this one right here. Then we can see another nice confluence right here at this level. We can see that this 1.6 from the extension matches pretty well with the 1 or with the base or this support area, right? So this would be my points of interest if I want to buy more. And of course, I'm expecting strong resistance at this level right here, and then here especially. This one is going to be a tough resistance to break. If I want to find more levels above the previous all-time high to use as take profit targets for after breaking and making a new all-time high, this is what I would target. First, like I said, this level right here, this could be also one, and this could be also maybe play as the end of this fifth wave on the Elliott wave. So yeah, I don't think it makes any sense to talk about other further areas because these are the most relevant for now on. Of course, this can change. The structure I just sketched right here, it's still not confirmed. This could be still part of the wave one, possible, if this level right here is broken and if it falls beneath, or it can be another corrective wave as well. But in order to know that, I need for the structure to develop further and to show me the next stages. You can read all these levels right here on the right hand side if you are interested in them. Thank you for watching and see you around.